Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today, we need 1 cup milk of your choice, 2 teaspoons of matcha powder, and also 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey. For today, I'm going to share with you iced matcha green tea. Now that we have everything in our blender, all we need is just blend it for at least 30 seconds or until it is lump free. This is super easy and quick to make. With just 3 ingredients, milk, matcha powder, and honey, we can have a glass of delicious iced matcha green tea. Now everything is done, time to enjoy our drink for today. Alright guys, this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, check our description box below, and we also have a channel shout out. Check also their channel. They are very friendly and supportive channel. You will learn a lot with their channel also in terms of fashion, cooking, jewelry, gardening, and many more. Thank you.